Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sign up on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.